Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to set a video background in a section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's say that for this section or this welcoming section, I want to set it or I want to edit its background to use a video instead of a photo. Select the interesting section like that, click on edit section, make sure you are in the background tab, and instead of going with an image or a color, click on a video. And here, this is my old video. First thing you can do is to replace or to select your video. Click on replace video. All of those images are videos provided by the server called pixels.com. Let's search, for example, for a nature video. Click on your video, for example. Let's preview this one. You can go back to the list, see this video. Check this video. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Check this video. I think I prefer this video. Click on select item and your video is used as the background for this section. Don't forget to, or before that, below, after you selecting your video, you can edit the overlay opacity over your video. You can also go with a fixed background or not. And for the position, if depending on your video, you can use these position icons to select which part of video to show. After that, close this window and don't forget to update your website. Now let's view my website live. And this is how to set a video background for a section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.